What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here with another video for you guys today. So today's Monday, and just like every single Monday, I'm here to bring you guys your money motivation, get you guys up and ready for the week, excited and happy to enter a new week. So the topic of today's video, no negativity. That is the subject of today's video. And to be honest, I'm pretty pumped for this week, which is actually why I'm making this message of no negativity. You see, there's gonna be many weeks that don't go our way, many days that don't go our way, and we can get down on ourselves, other people can make us feel down. But today I'm gonna highlight the importance of no negativity. I'm gonna explain what I mean when I say that. Of course, I'm gonna give you guys some examples, things you guys can do, some quotes. We're gonna go into all that today. But before you do that, people, make sure you guys show the positivity and drop the thumbs up. No negativity around here. Hit the like button. Also, make sure to share these videos with your friends. Get them out to more people. Help more people start off their week in the right way. Help more people go into a week with a no negative attitude. Add to that, make sure you guys comment. Let me know there's going to be no negativity this week and hopefully forevermore. Also, lastly but not least, if you are new around here, hit the red button below, the beautiful red button. If you want more videos like this, there are many more videos like this, not only money motivations, but many other videos to do with money management. So go check those out. Now, I would like to start off today's video with a quote from the Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu, who said, "Care what other people think and you will always be their prisoner." That's how I want to start off today's video. And I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Care what other people think, whatever their opinions are, whatever they say about you, care about that, and you're going to be their prisoner. You're going to be stuck in your mind thinking about what they think about you, what they say about you, whatever it is, you'll be their prisoner. And the reason I've chosen to start off today's video with that quote is because that can be the foundation of so much negativity in your life. What other people think. There are a lot of people out there who think your videos are horrible. There are a lot of people out there who think you need to lose weight. There are a lot of people out there who think you're too skinny, you're weak. There are a lot of people out there who think a lot about you. It doesn't matter what they think about you. If you care about what they think, then it does matter. But if you don't care what they think, it doesn't matter. Which is again why I'm saying no negativity. So that was how I wanted to start the video. But now I wanted to talk about other people's negativity being projected on you just in general. You see, you guys know I have a stock options course which I recently released. And I've obviously been trying to promote it, help more people, DM people, get the word out there and spread the message. So there's always different kind of reactions when you message people. The most common is people don't respond, which is normal. You get some people who are just like, no thanks. You also get some people who are like, yes, I'm interested. And there's a lot of different people. But this week, the past couple of days, I came across a couple of different people. And I started off with the same usual message. Hey, how you doing? Blah, blah, blah. If you'd like to learn more about the stock market, let me know. And I always end my message, and make sure to do this, saying, if you're not interested, no hard feelings. I just thought I'd reach out. Now, there's been a couple of different, I'd say rude or negative feedback recently. Obviously, I sent that message and one of the people said, "What makes you think I'll need your help on this?" I was like, okay, that's fine then. And on the other hand, someone else said, "Why do you think I'm not already swinging the markets, scalping, day trading, making money in the market?" And I was like, I don't think that. I'm asking if you'd like to learn more. The word more is there in the message. If you would like to learn more, you can always learn more. I can always learn more. You can always learn more. But obviously this person thought I'm reaching out saying that they don't know anything about the market, that they've never invested. But anyway, my point here, to cut the long story short, is people are always going to bring negativity. That's going to happen in some form. I'm not saying everybody will bring negativity, but people will always bring negativity in general. So if you're trying to help people, as I was, or you're trying to be kind, or you're trying to show people something, be prepared to get negative results. Be prepared to see negativity, for people to react with negativity. But this week, people, no negativity. So if that's coming from other people, no, we're not allowing it. You're blocking them on the app, or you're ignoring them, or you're deleting their message. It does not matter. No negativity. Do not let it get in the way of you doing something amazing. Do not let it get in your head. Like I explained in last week's Monday Motivation, don't be the person who's holding yourself back. If you're someone who's holding yourself back because of negativity, whether that's external, internal, stop that. No negativity this week. If you decide to hold yourself back because of other factors, then I can't help you. But this week, no negativity. Let me point out something to you guys. When you focus on negative aspects of life, whether that's from yourself or again, listening to other people, rambling on about negative things, it starts to play with your mind. The way you look at other things, the way you perceive things, just the way you behave, you act, will obviously be in a more negative manner. And I don't think people realize this because, you have negative friends. You'll still hang out with those negative friends. You have negative teachers. You'll listen to those negative teachers. You'll get down on yourself because of what people are saying. This is why I'm saying it. No negativity this week. It is so easy to get caught up in listening to other people say a lot of nonsense, say a lot of rubbish, and then you start feeling unhappy, feeling sad, feeling like you can't succeed, feeling like you can't win, which is again why I'm here to say no negativity this week. Whoever you've been listening to who's been slowly putting negative thoughts into your head, you're not listening to them this week, and hopefully you're not listening to them anymore for the rest of your life. If you yourself are telling yourself you can't do things, well then you need to start blocking out that voice. However you want to do it, you need to start blocking out that voice. If you don't block out those people, if you don't block out that voice, you're going to catch yourself starting to think like that voice thinks. You're going to catch yourself starting to think like those other people who are negative think. You cannot be the person who's doing that, because it's going to take away the positive aspects of your life. It's going to take away the good things in your life. You don't want that. You guys know that around here is good vibes, it's positivity, it's happiness. So that's what we're keeping with this week. So I want to highlight this. We have one life to live. One life, people, that's it. And you might think, whatever you're going through now, if it's difficult, life is extremely long. Let me tell you, people, life can come and go extremely fast. Life is pretty short if we're honest. It can feel long, but it's pretty short if we're honest. So the reason I'm saying that is because you only have a certain period of time to do what you want to do. If you're going to spend most of the time being negative, not only are you holding yourself back, but you're also cutting down the amount of positive times in your life, the happiness, the good moments, the fun times. You're cutting that out because of negativity. And you might be wasting your time because of how you're thinking again. But what's very common, and even more common in this day and age, especially in the internet age, with social media, with all these apps, with everyone putting their business out there, you can get hurt pretty easily. And the thing is, when other people are hurt, they can easily hurt you. And they might want to hurt you. You might have heard the saying, hurt people, which is true. Those who had negativity in their life, those who've had things not go their way, those who have felt like the world is against them, will start to inflict others, start, projecting that on other people who are succeeding, who are happy, who are doing just fine. If they see that you're winning, or maybe you're not even winning, you're just fine, you're okay, there's not a lot of negativity in your life, these hurt people are going to try and push their trauma onto you. Because they're not letting go of their past, they're going to make sure that their past, whatever bad things have happened, start to affect you in some form, some way. That's why you see haters on the internet. That's why you see people, getting a new house or getting a new car, and people straight away saying, yeah, but how much is that loan, or how are you going to finance that, or whatever negative comments people like to put out straight away when someone sees success. People that get, tattoos, or open a new restaurant, or maybe they're eating a really nice meal which is pretty unhealthy. Straight away, the first comments, the first reactions are going to be, what will those tattoos look like when you're 70? What will that food do on your body in 50 years, even if it's only one meal you're eating? What effect will this or that have on your future? People like to do that. They like to use their past, or what past they've seen in their lives, to start affecting your future and how you will live, how you're going to go forward. We are not letting any negativity in our lives this week, and hopefully not forevermore. No negativity. That's your message of today's video. No negativity. Again, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you guys are letting other people take control of your lives, caring about what they think. You're their prisoners. How do you want to live life like that? How do you want to live life trapped inside your own mind, where your mind is a battlefield, and also trapped in the life of other people because of what they think? I don't want you guys to be out there thinking, I can't do what I want to do. I must please everyone. I have to want to do what everyone else wants me to do. No, you don't. You can live life how you want. If you're looking for financial freedom and you really want to achieve financially, maybe retire within the next 30 years, and you're still 18, let's say, you can do that. But you're going to have to give up a lot of stuff. And in those cases, when you do give up a lot of things, somewhere along the line, you're going to run into some trouble. And that trouble comes in the form of negativity. Because your friends, your peers might not want you to do certain things. Or sometimes they might just try and stop you from doing certain things. Whether that's by negative comments, whether that's by trying to physically stop you from doing certain things, whether that's by a bad influence. Along your journey, you're going to come across people who actually try and stop you from achieving what you want to, and succeeding in the areas and the aspects of your life that you're trying to succeed in. And the strange thing is, it might not always be because of what you're doing, but it might be their past, or the fact that they know they cannot do the same thing. It can be a lot of different reasons. And that's what I'm saying. It doesn't matter what the reason is. It doesn't matter who they are. It doesn't matter what they do. It is your life. It's a short life, and you must do your utmost best to achieve what you set out to do. You only have one life. You only have a certain amount of time on this earth. And again, why would you spend all that time focusing on negativity? Do not do that. No negativity. I'll repeat it again. No negativity. Okay, Now, I briefly want to touch on something for you guys who are YouTubers out there, because this is very relevant to you guys. On Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or wherever, Snapchat, you can't really get thumbs downs, dislikes. You guys on YouTube, no, you can definitely get dislikes, and a fair few of them as that as well. Everyone who's here on YouTube, who's a YouTuber, please understand this. 1 dislike, 2 dislikes, 5 dislikes, 10 dislikes does not change anything. That's negativity. No negativity this week. I'm not even sure who actually physically wakes up and thinks, let me go watch a YouTube video and let me throw a dislike on this. I'm not sure who does that, because personally, if I don't like a video, I click away and I go somewhere else. I don't waste my time literally clicking the dislike button. But people, there are many strange people out there. There are many sad people out there. Again, many hurt people out there. And all these people are negative people. So if you are out there and you're making YouTube videos and you're getting dislikes, don't worry. It's all part of the game. But don't let that stop you. Don't let that be in the back of your mind. In fact, completely ignore it. You know, I don't even look at dislikes anymore. I'm not even sure if my videos get dislikes or they don't. I'm not even sure. I've seen in the past that they did. Recently, I have no idea, because I don't look at that. If you start channeling your mind to focus on the positive, that's what you will see. Same for every other aspect of your life. Not only for the likes and dislikes on your YouTube videos. If you start channeling your mind to see the positive, you're going to be good. If you stop seeing the negative, so again, no negativity, you'll be all right. Maybe I should have even titled this video Positivity this week, so we can focus on the positivity. But I did want to highlight the negativity so you guys understand the concept, understand how this has an impact on your life, understand the negative effect it has on you pushing for your goals and dreams. You guys know this channel right here is a channel built for highly driven people, people with big goals, people who want to achieve a lot in this world, people who have high aspirations and want to dream big and achieve whatever they set out to achieve. With the negativity, you're not going to get that done. Without negativity, you definitely have a good shot at getting that done. So again, no negativity. Alright, so I hope you guys did enjoy your Monday motivation for this week. Again, no negativity. If you did not enjoy your Monday motivation, click that like button. If you did enjoy this Monday motivation, also click the like button. Either way, all I'm going to see is the likes, so yeah, no negativity. Add to that, make sure you guys check out all the links in the description. We have my link tree there, we have my Instagram, we have my smartwatch company, Time Gear Watches. We also have my stock options course, that very first link in the description. Add that, we have my free Discord. We also have free stock through Robinhood. We have so many different links in the description. You guys need to go and at least check one of them out. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. That's it from me. No negativity this week, but I go into making you got negativity to be avoiding. See you guys next time for another video. Peace. Game over.